Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I've just been cleaning a monitor and I keep on looking at this thing, this Vic-20 cover case top, saying, oh yeah, I can clean that. And this is perhaps a better example of what a magic eraser is capable of. I'm going to drop the magic eraser into the thing there where I have the water. I'm going to adjust the monitor a little bit. I'm going to take this, run it through the cracks, but it's not making much of a difference because this has got like real filth. Now, because this is separated, completely, totally separated from the computer, we don't have to be quite as worried about the level of wetness. Okay, put that back down. Now, I'm suspecting you will see why this is called a magic eraser moment. Behold these marks. Ta-da! They're gone. They're gone. This looks kind of like Coke, I think, maybe. Like, look at this here. Look at this stuff here. It's gone. All the filth of the ages goes away. And in literally just a few seconds, this is looking mighty beautiful. Now, is there more to do? Oh yes, I'm going to go across the top here. Now the hard thing will be getting into the ridges. And they are indeed very difficult, especially the thing right around the keyboard, this ridge, which of course gathers dirt. And it's very hard. See, the magic eraser really is not meant to fit into minuscule, tiny little places, but if you get it lined up just so and push it with some vigor, it is possible to get in there, kind of. The magic erasers will not last forever, of course. Every time you do one of these things, it gets a little more ragged. But it's coming along. Sometimes you have to basically jam a fingernail on the edge of it. Oh, it's moving stuff. Which, of course, obviously also might hurt the magic eraser, but so be it. Okay. Oh, there's a little schmutz on there. I don't know what it is. Anyway, if you remember what this looked like, oh, literally just a moment ago, oh, there's some stuff. I think I'll just toss that out. It's so filthy. There's the top of a Vic-20. Looking much, 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 much better. Now I'm going to try to get into these ridges. I can see there's stuff lurking in there. This is actually a time the magic eraser may not be the best thing, but if you can get on the edge, get it jammed in there, it can do some pretty magical, wonderful things. Even shine up the Vic-20 nameplate. Just a little bit. So, this is not perfect. But if you look back in the video, you'll see it is way better. Way better. Alright, I'm going to let this sit and dry. Here, see the magic? It's getting kind of beat. It's getting kind of dirty. Let me look down here. Into the box of Vic-20s. Here's one. Okay, let's see this one. This one is yellowed. But you know what? I think what I'm going to do, and I have been doing this, I had another one that was far worse than this in terms of yellowing. I've left it out in the sun, and it's really doing remarkable stuff. So the magic eraser will not correct the yellowing, it will not correct the scratching, but it'll get the filth off so that then the sun can get through and do what it can do. So what I really should do, oh yeah, and the bottom of this too is, I don't know if you can see that, it's quite yellowed, but not horribly. But anyway, so we get the filth, and we take the case off. I did actually, oh, here's some stuff. I was brave today, because it's not supposed to rain. I put an 1802 out. It is very yellowed in the sun. I did indeed. So the filth of the ages is coming off. And then, if I take this all apart and put it in the sun, maybe it will come out much more beautiful. The thing about this one is, if we can see that, the yellowing isn't very uniform. The other thing I have out in the sun right now is a Commodore 64 with a bunch of keys are some yellowed, and then there's some others that are just incredibly yellowed. And I don't know if that's gonna, if anything good will come of that or not. Certainly if it rains it won't, but it's not supposed to rain. Okay, I gotta put this back down in the box. Trying not to bust off any keys. That would not be good. So, I'm thinking this will be worthy. By the way, this is how the magic eraser, I just opened a fresh pack. This is how it started. This is how it is now. See, they wear out. But it's worth it. Okay, I'll drop that back into the bucket and squeeze it out. And then I should, oh, I know what I could do. Yes, I do. Squeeze it out. See, it's looking better already. I know what I can do. I think I'll stop now with that, with the Vic-20, and maybe next time I'll see about the 2031. Oh, I think I have the microphone not the way I would like it. Anyway, all right. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. We'll see you back here in the TV room. Bye for now.